Grace the horse was the strongest animal in Sunny Meadow. Her hooves were powerful, her legs were long. When she ran, the ground thump, thump, thumped beneath her. Grace loved how fast and strong she was. But sometimes her strength made others nervous. When Grace trotted by, the ducks fluttered away in a splash. The bunnies dashed into their burrows. Even the little lambs peeked out with wide eyes. Grace didn't mean to scare anyone. She just didn't know how big she was. One sunny afternoon, Grace noticed Pip the mouse struggling. A heavy stick had fallen across his path. "I can move that," Grace said proudly. She stomped and pushed with all her might. Crash! The stick flew across the field. Pip squeaked in surprise, tumbling backward. "Oh no, I'm so sorry," Grace gasped. Pip brushed himself off. "You're very strong," he said kindly, "but sometimes strong things need to be gentle too." Grace felt her ears droop. Strong? And gentle? She wondered. Later that day, Grace saw Lily the lamb stuck in a muddy patch. Lily was crying softly, unable to pull her little hooves free. Grace hurried over, then stopped. She remembered Pip's words. This time, Grace moved slowly. She bent her long neck and softened her voice, gently pressed her shoulder against the mud, not too hard, not too fast. With a careful squish, pull, and lift, Lily was free. "Thank you, Grace," Lily beamed. "You were so gentle." Grace felt something warm inside her chest. As the days passed, Grace practiced using her strength with care. She walked softly near the ducks. She lowered her head to speak kindly to the bunnies. She used her powerful legs to pull carts slowly. She protected friends from the wind. Soon, the meadow felt different. The animals didn't run away anymore. They ran toward Grace, now a friend. Grace smiled, standing tall with her strong legs and her soft heart. She had learned something very important. True strength isn't about how hard you push, it's about how gently you care.